All right, today we're gonna bring a wall light, and this one has a sensor. All right, we're gonna set this up. They give you the extra screws. Now I'm gonna show you a couple things. These are caps. There are three different caps that you could run the cable through. Just to let you know, there's four screws. All right, one, two, three, four that you have to remove to in order to get the cable to access to the cable. I'm gonna show you in the back. All right, so the first axis will be here on the back. All right, and then you have two axes on the side that you can run the cable. Now the four screws are holding the whole thing here. Make sure that the silicone cover is nice and covered. This is where you get the cable from. You got your hot, your neutral, and your ground. So we're gonna put this back together, and we'll put the screws back, and we're gonna set this one on the wall. They give you the actual 3M adhesive that goes into. You could stick this and use this as a template to screw in the holes. You could do it through the bypass the actual plate itself, or like I said, make sure you mount it. There's two ways of mounting it from the front too. You can mount it here and in the other side too. So we're going to set this up and see how it looks at night, and we're going to try the sensor too. So pass them through the hole that you have. All you got to do is mount them in here. So secure it. There you go. It's not going to go anywhere. All right, here's the light. It has a sensor from dusk to dawn. It's a very powerful light. It's lighting up the entire room here. If you guys can see, like the wall mount, it's very simple to install. It especially looks flush. Perfect for garages, entrances. Very simple, and you get a set of two. And it's bright, really bright, lighting up the whole place here. Very simple, easy to install, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.